everybody, welcome back to our video. In this video we are going to make a crazy hat. We are trying to do it from Mrs. Hopkins's video. Okay, let's get started. So first we need a paper.
A yellow sheet of paper.
It can be any color. And then we need scissors.
Then we need a pencil and a scale and a rubber.
Eraser, if you want. And we also need staplers.
Yes.
So first we will draw lines diagonally.
With a scale we'll use to be straight.
And now we have to make this lines where we have to stop cutting. So I'm using this. There. And now we'll have to cut. And when we reach to these lines, we have to stop cutting.
Yes.
Okay, now we'll have to we'll staple these two ends, and we'll do the same to the other side. First we have to see if it fits on her. Okay. Okay, it fits. So now we'll staple these two sides. Okay, so now our hat is, now we have to turn our hat over. It would look like this, like a candy.
Candy wrapper.
A big candy. To get it in the center, I'm drawing a line at the center so that it is easy for me. I'm going to make few lines here. Here and here. Okay, and on the other side, I'm also doing the same. I'm drawing lines here and here. Okay, now we'll cut these. Okay. I'm not cutting it wholly or else this piece will fall off. Okay, now we'll do the same to the other side. I'm going to take the middle part and then I'm going to draw. And now I'm going to turn the hat over, and I'm going to make zigzag lines. So guys, here we have come to an end of making our hat. Now we're gonna see if it fits on her. Oh, it fits really perfect. She looks like a joker now. Bye bye. See you in the carnival. Please be the joker of our carnival.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Never come back.
Bye-bye.
You can stay with the joker.
Okay, I'm going to stay with the joker. Bye bye.
Bye everybody.
Bye everybody.
I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye. See you in our next video.
Bye. See you in the next video.